Let's talk about how to study for the Carpenter Red Seal exam in a way that actually fits real job site life. If you're a carpenter in Canada, this exam is one of the most important steps in your career. The Red Seal is a national standard that allows you to work across provinces without recertifying. That kind of mobility can open doors to better projects, better pay, and long-term stability. So the first thing to understand about how to study for the Carpenter Red Seal exam is what the exam looks like. Most Carpenter Red Seal exams include around 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You'll usually have 3.5 to 4 hours to complete it. The questions focus on real-world carpentry tasks, not classroom theory. You might see questions based on framing, formwork, finishing, layout, safety, and blueprint reading. Many questions include diagrams, measurements, and job site scenarios. That means your hands-on experience is a huge advantage if you use it properly. One of the smartest ways to study is to break the material into sections. Instead of reading everything front to back, focus on categories like safety, tools, materials, layout, and math. Short daily study sessions work better than long weekend cram sessions. Even 30 minutes a day adds up quickly over a few months. Safety deserves extra attention. Carpentry exams place a strong emphasis on safe work practices. Think about what you actually do on site and connect that to what you're studying. Math is another area that makes people nervous. The math is practical and job-related. Measurements, angles, material quantities, and basic calculations. If you haven't written an exam in years, that's completely normal. Confidence builds through repetition and practice questions. Q&A books help you test yourself quickly, while explanation-style resources show why answers are correct. Online timed practice tests help with pacing and time management, teaching you when to move on and when to slow down. At redsealstudyguide.ca, many carpenters use a mix of Q&A books, explanation resources, and online time tests. Everything is digital, so you can study on your phone, tablet, or laptop. If English or French isn't your first language, preparation is even more important. Focus on carpentry-specific vocabulary and read questions carefully to avoid simple mistakes. How to study for the Carpenter Red Seal exam isn't just about passing one test. It's about building long-term career options. Red Seal carpenters often move into four-person, supervisor, instructor roles, or start their own businesses. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, you're not alone. Thousands of carpenters across Canada write this exam every year. With consistent study habits and the right resources, the process becomes manageable. Take it one step at a time. Trust your experience, and when exam day comes, you'll be ready to prove what you already know.